Good evening, guys. Oh, whew. Feels so good. Just finished reading the Word of God, and just makes me feel so awesome. I just want to talk to you guys today a little bit about religion. Getting to know your God. It's getting crazy out here, so you need to get under a religion or something really quick, fast, and just understand the Word of God. That's what I really recommend you guys do. And actually, when you get under a religion, get under the right religion. Don't get under those fake religions. Don't get under Jews, Catholics, Muslims, Christians. Go under the right religion. It's going to help you grow, which is Jehovah's Witnesses. Now, Jehovah's Witnesses are the best religions ever. And I know you guys know that we knock on doors. Yes, we do that. But what other religions try to get people to come in? The Christians don't go knocking on no doors. Muslims don't go knocking on no doors. Buddhists, Hindus, none of them go knocking on doors. We're taking that first initiative, and we're going to make sure you get to learn about God. That's why we knock on your doors. And I know some of you out there see us coming, and you go hide and act like you're not home, turn your lights off. Don't do that. That's really disrespectful. We Jehovah's Witnesses are proud of our God. Yes, we read the New Testament, but so what? We're proud of our God. And we want to make sure we get the word out to all of you guys out there. That's why we come knocking on you guys' doors. We're trying to help you. We are trying to help you guys. So basically, this video is for all my people out there that wants to be a Jehovah's Witness or don't know which religion you want to be under. Jehovah's Witnesses are the best religion to be under. We'll help you, we'll mold you, you will grow with this religion. I'm trying to tell you guys, I'm going to help you guys grow. Okay, so if you would like to be a Jehovah's Witnesses, just follow these steps. I'm going to give you a couple steps of little things you have to do when you're the Jehovah's Witnesses. It's not nothing big. Nothing big, okay? Only thing you guys have to do is knock on doors. We don't force you to do anything like them other churches and Christians. We always pass around a Tide bucket. No, we do not do that. That's not what we're all about. Muslims, you don't say Assalamu alaikum, go to no black power speeches or anything like that. None of that is like that with the Jehovah's Witnesses.